Has the thought ever crossed your mind? Can a mere $500 investment truly reveal explosive profits, turning small capital into a fortune in the crypto realm? We're talking about a potential game changer, one decision that could redefine your financial trajectory, especially when eyeing a powerhouse like Monero. Forget the noise. Ignore the fleeting trends. We're here to dissect whether Monero, XMR, holds the key to standing out in a crowded market, making a different investment, or if it's a deceptive mirage leading investors down a path of loss. This isn't just another crypto prediction. This is a deep dive into Monero's core, its challenges, and its unyielding potential to empower your portfolio. Prepare to unlock insights that will equip you to avoid common pitfalls and seize genuine opportunities. Is your investment strategy built on assumptions or on undeniable truth? Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Is Monero a good investment for your hard-earned capital? To answer this, we must first understand its essence. Monero isn't just another digital currency. It's the leading privacy coin, designed from the ground up to offer unparalleled anonymity and fungibility. Every transaction on the Monero blockchain is private by default, obscuring sender, recipient, and transaction amount. This is achieved through sophisticated cryptographic techniques like ring signatures, stealth addresses, and ring CT. In a world where financial surveillance is increasing, Monero offers a powerful counter-narrative, a truly censorship-resistant form of digital cash. Its use cases extend beyond mere speculation. It serves as a preferred medium for individuals and entities prioritizing financial sovereignty and privacy in their transactions, from legitimate businesses to those operating in gray markets. The market demand for such a tool, while niche, is undeniably persistent and growing among certain user bases globally. However, every potentially profitable investment harbors its unique set of challenges and obstacles. Monero, despite its robust privacy features, faces significant hurdles. Regulatory pressure is arguably its biggest adversary. Governments and financial institutions, often wary of anonymity, view privacy coins with suspicion, fearing their use in illicit activities. This has led to delistings from major exchanges in some jurisdictions, impacting liquidity and accessibility for mainstream investors. Technical challenges include the continuous need for development to maintain privacy features against sophisticated de-anonymization attempts, and scalability concerns inherent in its privacy-preserving mechanisms, which can lead to larger transaction sizes. Competition from other privacy-focused projects or even privacy-enhancing layers on public blockchains also poses a threat. So, what does the future hold for XMR? Our realistic price prediction for 2025 to 2030 suggests a compelling yet cautious outlook. Assuming a continued demand for privacy and Monero's ability to navigate regulatory headwinds, we could see XMR experiencing substantial growth. By 2025, with increased adoption within privacy-conscious communities and a more stable regulatory stance, Monero could realistically achieve a price range significantly above its current levels, potentially marking a 150 to 250% increase from today's prices. This would put it in a range where your $500 investment could genuinely begin to look like a profitable investment. Looking further into 2030, if Monero maintains its technological edge, enhances its scalability, and successfully fends off regulatory clampdowns, it could ascend even higher, possibly yielding a 400 to 700% return from today's point, making some early investors genuinely wealthy. This optimistic projection hinges on Monero's continued evolution and the global societal shift towards valuing privacy over transparency in certain aspects of finance. However, this is not a guaranteed trajectory. Rather, it represents the upper echelon of its potential if all favorable conditions align. Are you prepared for the truth about risk and reward? From an investor's point of view, the pros of investing in Monero are compelling. It offers unparalleled privacy, true fungibility, a dedicated and passionate developer community, and a unique value proposition in the crypto landscape. It's censorship-resistant digital cash, ideal for those seeking to protect their financial transactions from prying eyes. Furthermore, its fixed supply and emission rate creates scarcity, which is often a driver of long-term value. The potential for substantial returns, as highlighted in our price prediction, offers a glimmer of hope for investors seeking to capitalize on niche but powerful market demands. However, the cons are equally significant and demand careful consideration. The primary concern remains regulatory risk, which could lead to further exchange delistings or even outright bans in certain regions, severely impacting liquidity and price. The ongoing technical challenges of maintaining privacy and scalability while being actively addressed by developers present a continuous battle. Compared to Bitcoin or Ethereum, Monero has lower market liquidity, meaning larger trades could face greater price slippage. It's also susceptible to general market volatility that affects all cryptocurrencies. The conflict for investors boils down to weighing the immense benefits of privacy and potential for exponential growth against the tangible and ever-present regulatory and technical risks. The resolution isn't about choosing one over the other, but about understanding that Monero is a high-conviction, high-risk, high-reward asset. It's not a set-it-and-forget-it investment for the faint of heart. The key message here is crystal clear. While $500 in Monero has the potential to reveal explosive profits, it demands a sophisticated understanding of its unique position, meticulous risk management, and a willingness to navigate significant regulatory uncertainty. For those who prioritize digital financial privacy and are prepared for the journey, Monero presents a profound opportunity. For others, it might be a loss to avoid, guiding them towards different investment avenues that align better with their risk tolerance and investment objectives. Join our investor community. Like, subscribe, and stay updated with top crypto insights, predictions, and strategies to grow and protect your portfolio. Take full control of your crypto with Ledger Live. Manage thousands of coins and NFTs securely in one place. Buy, swap, stake, and grow your portfolio with ease. Trusted by 7+ million users, Ledger Live keeps your assets safe by integrating with Ledger hardware wallets for maximum security. Say goodbye to third-party risks and hello to true financial freedom. Download Ledger Live now. Click the link in the description to get started. Crypto taxes don't have to be a nightmare. Coinly calculates your taxes in under 20 minutes. No spreadsheets, no headaches. Sync your crypto assets with one click, whether you're trading, staking, or using DeFi. Import your trades, track your portfolio, and generate ready-to-file tax reports effortlessly. Join thousands who trust Coinly to simplify their crypto taxes. Make tax season stress-free. Click the link in the description to get started with Coinly today. The information contained herein is for entertainment purposes only. Nothing herein shall be construed to be financial, legal, investment, or tax advice. The content of this video is solely the opinions of the channel owner, who is not a licensed financial advisor or registered investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies poses considerable risk of loss. Please use your best judgment when dealing with cryptocurrencies, and don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. The channel does not guarantee any particular outcome.